Good morning, Yashvi Maha. Good morning, madam. How are you? Fine, madam. Are you ready for this activity? Yes, madam. Ready, start, stop. Brinjal, carrot, tomato. No, tomato. Take tomato. Okay. Cauliflower. Next, potato. Okay, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay. Next, onion. Very good, SV Maha. Very good. Ma, show me brinjal. Brinjal. Okay. Show me carrot. Carrot. Show me tomato. Show me potato. Show me pumpkin. Show me cauliflower. Show me onion. Okay, very good, Ashvi Maha. Very good. Give claps, ma.